In this lesson, we will talk about multiplying by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will equal 0. Also, 0 multiplied by any number will also equal 0. 0 has no value. It equals nothing. So it does not matter how many times you add nothing to nothing, you still have nothing. Let's look at a few examples of multiplication with 0. We've got 1 times 0, and the answer is 0. 2 times 0 equals 0. Even 1,000,000 times 0 equals 0. Any number times 0 equals 0. Remember that multiplication is really just repeated addition. So a problem like 5 times 0 is another way of saying 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 added to itself 5 times still equals 0. If we think about the concept of multiplication by 0 in real life, we can think of a couple of examples. For example, in football, a touchdown earns a team 7 points. But if the team doesn't score any touchdowns, 0 touchdowns in the game, we have a score still of 0. If the team scores 0 points in all 10 of their games, we have a score that looks like this. Game number 1 was 0 points. Game number 2, no points. Game number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, no points, 0 points. Even if we add all these up, we still are going to end up with a big answer of 0. Even if there are more numbers involved in a multiplication problem, if there is a 0, the product will always be 0. So if we have strictly multiplication in our problem, so like in this case 5 times 4 times 0 times 3, as soon as I see that 0, I know that the product of this string of multiplication will equal 0. Even if they're switched around and we've got 5 times 4 times 3 times 0, the product is going to be 0. And 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, so this is the same as 60 times 0, which we also know is 0. So anytime we have a string of numbers multiplied together, if any one of those numbers even is 0, the product will be 0.